What's your name?
My name is Willie.
So this is your first time coming to a course to learn how to make bánh mì, right?
Yes.
So how do you feel about bánh mì, Vietnamese bread?
I like it. It's
Yeah.
unique. It's different than any Western bread. So that's why I'm here, trying to learn from the original.
Okay. So how do you feel about the teacher and the course today?
The course is very interesting. It's very deep and detailed about how to make them from the scratch. So I like it. Everything's from the scratch, and I get to bring my own flowers and whatnot. So
Yeah. So what
that's
was
really
your
good.
favorite part of the course?
The favorite part is actually forming the baguette,
Oh,
stretching
yeah.
and all that. Yeah, it's
Yeah, it
a
was
little bit
fun.
challenging.
Yeah. So what is your plan or purpose after this course
Oh,
in the future?
I don't know yet. I'm still gonna be practicing, see how it's gonna go. But maybe if everything goes well, probably we're gonna start selling baguette or Vietnamese.
And you
banh
add
mi.
it in your menu
Yeah,
in the
add it to
restaurant?
my menu. Yes.
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 So I hope that you will be successful with the banh mi in America and you will bring our culture all around the world.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Happy.
Yay.